Where are we going?
We're headed down to Home Depot to get a carpet extractor, a detailer extractor to shampoo some seats in a car. And it's going to be in a Toyota. But the most important thing is that people don't realize this, is that you don't need to buy a shampooer. You could go right to Home Depot to the tool rental department and rent it right there. And also they have the proper shampoo that you need to get the job done. So that's where we're headed. See you in just a sec. All right, so it's 20, 25 and then $27. $4 hours. Okay. All right, cool. All right, so we're gonna be using this Oxy. And what I'm gonna do, I put water inside of this machine, the top comes off. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put enough in here, I'm gonna try to hold this. I'm gonna try to put enough in here to make a difference. Keep on going. Now it has a little hole in the top of here, and that's what I'm using to kind of gauge it. But that's that. Should be enough. All right. Now put this back up on top and make sure that this side is also where this part is here. Now, but before I do that, I'm gonna click this down, come over here, click that down, and then I'm going to attach this here. Doing this one-handed here. I'm using this quick connect. See right here, this pulls back. So what I'm gonna do, make sure that it goes over. And click, just like that. All right, so I'm gonna hit the on switch and then I'm gonna show y'all how to properly use this tool. It's a great tool. I'm gonna get out some of these spots. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this thing on. So now, as you can see, this thing sucks up. Now, this thing has a trigger here, as you can see. Now, what some of the videos may show you is that you pull it, then suck it up. We're not doing that. What we're gonna do is, when I'm moving this way, I'm gonna be pulling the trigger. When I get ready to lift up, right before I get ready to lift up and pick this piece up, I'm gonna let off the trigger. So watch, here we go. See that stuff? Because by doing this, what's happening is that you're pulling it out of the surface of the upholstery. If you spray it beforehand, what's going to happen is that it's going to go too deep into the fabric. It's going to take too long for it to dry. So, let's continue. All right, boom. Notice how I let off the trigger? Right before I get ready to get to the end where I pick it up. This area here, watch. see the stuff being sucked out, clearly. Tell. Watch here. Overlap. Come back over. Typical service like this, if you go to any kind of detail shop, it's going to run you anywhere from $100 and up, depending on how bad it is. Keep in mind that all stains will not come out, depending on what it is. Nothing is 100%. But it is a major improvement. You say so?
Yeah. Did we do it before and after?
Yeah. That's what people like. Get right here. Woo. Place that gets really dirty. Typical cars, right around the seatbelt. So here's the thing that you could do. Way to show them what I'm doing. The thing that you can do is take the seat belt, move it out your way, put it around the headrest up here, like so. That way it's out of the way. That way you can do this section. All right, so now we're in the front seat. So, kind of vacuumed up all the loose stuff. Now, going to start from up here, then work down. Ready? Here we go. this area, the seat's really bad. We start from here, work our way over. Here we go. Alright, so we're returning the extractor here, and it was only, what, $27? $27 and some change. Biggest thing is just make sure that you empty it out, because there's a cleaning fee if you don't empty these things out. Make sure that you put the hose back in the bag if you came with one, and the money should just go right back on the card, right?
Yes, sir.
So the money goes right back on the card, and it's just that easy. So there you go. Hope this video helped y'all. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new videos just like this.